इनकोट पब्लिशिंग हाउस द्वारा नई दिल्ली के वसंत विहार के कुंजुम बॉक्स में बुक लॉन्च कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया। इसमें मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में अनीता खुराना, फर्स्ट कमर्शियल डायरेक्टर एयर इंडिया, सुष्मिता चक्रवर्ती, फर्स्ट एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर आईआईटी इंडस्ट्री और गीतमाला जलोटा लेखिका करियर कोच ने अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई। बता दें कि गीतमाला जलोटा की लिखी किताब द स्टैंडर्ड सीलिंग का विमोचन किया गया और लेखिका ने बताया कि द स्टैंडर्ड सीलिंग में उन महिलाओं की कहानी है जिन्होंने अपने जीवन के काम के दौरान किन किन कठिन परिस्थितियों का सामना किया और अपने मुकाम को हासिल किया। अनीता खुराना, फर्स्ट कमर्शियल डायरेक्टर एयर इंडिया ने कहा, किताबें आपके दिमाग को खोलती हैं, आपकी सोच को बड़ा करती हैं और आपको मजबूत बनाती हैं। साथ ही सुष्मिता चक्रवर्ती, फर्स्ट एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर आईआईटी इंडस्ट्री ने कहा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को किताब पढ़ना चाहिए। जितना ज़्यादा पढ़ेंगे उतनी ज़्यादा हमें ज्ञान प्राप्ति होगी। कार्यक्रम में प्रश्न उत्तर का सत्र भी रखा गया, जिसमें लोगों ने मुख्य अतिथि से कई प्रश्न पूछे और अपने सवालों के जवाब पाए।
Ma'am, introduce yourself and speak about your book.
Okay, so I am Geetmala and I am an author of this book which I have launched today, The Shattered Ceiling. This is my third book and this is also on women. And I have been writing on women. It has just happened that I'm using my experience as an HR person of 30 years, having worked in different kind of companies, and I want to solve an actual life problem at the workplace. That is why I write on women, because I want to see more and more women coming up, and I see that they lack confidence and also, you know, they have aspirations, but they have sort of not, how should I say, not how to, you know, the confidence to go out in the world and make a living. That pressure is not there. So my third book, The Shattered Ceiling, it is a collection of 10 interviews. These are with 10 women pioneers in different fields. Like Anita Khurana, she was the first lady commercial director of Air India and Indian Airlines. And Sushmita Chakravarti, she was one of the first women to enter the computer industry and rise to the level of associate director. So I interviewed them because I wanted to understand that the problems I faced in my career, did they also face the same problems? And any normal ordinary girl today, she will also be facing the same problem. So how they can overcome those problems? That is why I wrote this book. That everybody has gone through those problems and these women have also handled and reached the top. And you can also handle and reach the top. And these are small problems, you know. How did you handle your first challenge, whether to get married or not to get married, what to wear, because there's a perception that how to dress, you know, at the workplace. So these are questions which every woman has and which I also used to have. Should I wear a sari to the workplace or should I wear trousers? So like that, I have tried to and what kind of environment they had, what was the atmosphere like when they took the job. So I have tried to put myself in the shoes of that girl who is just starting her career or maybe has reached the first level and she's feeling maybe I should give up because I will never be able to look after my family and a career. And like Rosetta was saying, that it is not career or your personal life. It is life and career.
Hi, I'm Anita Khurana and I retired as a board director on Air India. This book is in fact a very interesting effort by Geetmala Jones, and in that she is trying to bring out all the women achievers and she names it as the Shattered Ceiling. And here I think the idea is to motivate the young generation, the women, to do well and to learn from our experience, because I've had about 35 years of aviation experience to my credit after doing the MBA. And there's a lot of learning which we can actually help the young women relate to and use it as a motivation to achieve further success in life.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Introduce yourself and tell me brief about book and women.
Okay, my name is Sushmita Chakravarti. So I'm a maths graduate and then a postgraduate also in mathematics. And then I had a career in IT industry for 27 years. And while doing the job, got interested in social work. And after that, I moved full time to social work, working with different causes. And like Geet Mala said, that she had interviewed me for her first book also. And this time it was a much more detailed interview, which covered a lot of aspects, professional, personal, and so on. So I'm really delighted when I saw read bits of the book, and I just read mine one first. I'll read the entire book later. So truly an honor.